Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Drag the Elementor form widget onto your section and click to edit fields. This creates a form container. Click Add Item and Set Type to select to create a drop-down field. Give the field a clear label and a unique ID for submission and style targeting. Enter each option on its own line or use label value format when you need different stored values. For example, red red, blue blue, green green. Set placeholder text and toggle required if users must choose an option before submitting. Open the select field settings to configure behavior and values. Add a placeholder like choose an option to guide users and turn on required to prevent empty submissions. If you want internal values different from displayed labels, type options as label value on separate lines. To allow more than one choice, enable multiple selection, but remember that server handling will receive comma-separated values. Optionally set a default value to preselect an option, using the exact value string used in your options list for accuracy. Switch to the Style tab to control appearance. Set width in pixels or %, adjust typography for font size, and change colors for text and background. Use the border and padding controls. Set padding to 10px or your preferred spacing for touch-friendly areas. In Advanced, add custom CSS selectors or responsive visibility so the drop-down behaves on mobile. Always preview and test by selecting options and submitting the form to confirm stored values are correct. Then publish the page when everything works as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.